No. Right, wait. I'll put it on here, yeah, and you do that lift to me. That lift. Come on. We'll do that lift. Do it. Can't you? No. I told you, you're better than Lauren at doing it. Oh, I landed on my head. What? What was doing a lift and go forward? Who broke it? You! How am I broke it? Do you look? I think that's it, I don't know. Do it. Oh, did that make me cough? Did it? No, leave it. I'm fixing my DIY. It's still recording. Oh, my head. I think I got brain damage. It's not funny. Go up. No, it's not. No, it's not funny. DIY skills. I love it. No, don't. I'm doing my DIY skills. Move him. Ow. Oh, God. I don't trust you anymore. You're not better than Lawrence. No, I'm not. Katie, now she looks like a stable girl.
Rita.
No, what is that? I need the glasses. Glasses.
Let me see it.
Oh no.
Let me see.
No. Why do I hear music?
Come here, Tim. I got a talking person in the background there.
Get off me. Back.
It broke. It's got brain damage. Right, it's not funny. The telly nearly fell over. I caught it.
It nearly tipped backwards.
Right, do that. Right, do you know that thing, that lift where I fly? I went straight forward and did a flip. Well, sort of. I want my head on there.
Look, I'll see if I've got it in my